Sports have become increasingly popular as the economy grows. However, good implants to treat ligament rupture due to severe sports injuries remain unavailable. Unfortunately, commercial artificial ligaments may cause arthritis, hydrothrosis, or rupture as a result of abrasion. Therefore, our technologies utilize polymer bioceramic composites to improve osseointegration for stronger graft fixation. A novel composite textile structure with cell ingrowth and high mechanical strength has also been developed. Moreover, surface modification has been adopted to promote cell attachment and proliferation. Ultimately, this revolutionary artificial ligament not only provides stronger graft fixation with bone integration, but also promotes soft tissue growth onto the cladding graft to prevent abrasion. These technologies also drive the upgrading of traditional textile industries. Manufacturing medical devices instead of daily supplies helps increase the value of products.